Just got in a new load of covered wagon trailers. These are all 6x12s. And they got the new powder coated finished metal on there instead of the baked aluminum metal. It's a much tougher metal. Gives it a smoother look too. It doesn't have that high gloss finish like the painted metal does. Still a little bit glossy, but it's a lot tougher too. Not sure if you can see the thickness there in the video or not. Got 4 of these in. 2 whites, 2 blacks. 2 of the black one and the white one each have blackout trim on them. And then I got 2 with just the regular trim. These are new. This is a new system Covered Wagon is doing on their trailers. You're going to have the option of upgrading them to the powder coated metal finish. Right now we're currently doing these in black or white, but in the future we plan on doing different colors. Matching colors if you want to match a color to a specific color. Since it doesn't have that high gloss finish, metal looks a lot smoother, a lot more resistant to scratches as well with that powder coating on there. It is kind of an overcast day, but that's still a good looking smooth trailer right there. Like I said, all 4 of these have the powder coated finish on them. This black one here doesn't look as good as the other black one. It's got the standard screwed seams. They're screwed on every cross member about 6 inches apart, where the other one had the semi-screwless metal where we glue it on with the same glue we use on the full screwless and then put screws just on the seams. You can kind of see the difference in the fender there. The fender has that baked on finish paint like the traditional metal does, and this here is the powder coated. Got that nice powder coated look too with the grooves in it. These are brand new, just in, the first ones I've got on the yard. They look good, so they won't last long.